Police lights can also be made with LEDs. To implement the circuit, we need an NE555 integrated circuit, a 100 kilo-ohm potentiometer, a 10 micro and 10 nanofarad capacitor, a 10 kilo-ohm resistor, 6 blue and 6 white LEDs, and 12 1 kilo-ohm resistors. In this case, I added red LEDs instead of blue ones and green LEDs instead of white ones. Use the potentiometer to set the desired alternating flashing speed of the LEDs. So let's begin. First, we connect pin 8 and 4 of the NE555 together and to the plus 12 volt DC supply. Then we connect pin 1 to minus 12 volts DC, then pin 2 and pin 6 together. Then we connect from the plus 12 volts DC supply through a resistor of 10 kilo ohms to pin 7 of the NE555. After that, we connect from pin 7 to connector 1 on the potentiometer, and the other two connectors of the potentiometer are connected to pin 2 or pin 6 of the NE555. From pin 2 of the NE555, we connect a 10 microfarad capacitor to the minus 12 volts DC supply. Just make sure that the minus polarity of the capacitor is on the minus power supply. Then, from pin 5, we connect a 10 nanofarad capacitor to the minus 12 volts DC supply. Then we make a connection from pin 3 of the NE555 to all 12 1 kilo ohm resistors. Next, connect the first 6 LEDs from left to right so that the anodes are on the plus 12 volts DC power supply, and the cathodes are on 1 kilo ohm resistors. Then we connect the other 6 LEDs so that the anodes are on the resistors, and the cathodes are on the -12 volts DC power supply. If the circuit is assembled correctly, the LEDs begin to suffer.